Future belongs to those who innovate today. With this inspiring thought, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the AICTE Training and Learning Faculty Development Program on Beyond CMOS, Nanoelectronics and Quantum Devices for Next Generation Computing, organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, MRIIRS from 20th to 25th of July 2026. I am Dr. Namita Kachpal, your host and co-coordinator for this FDP, along with my co-host and coordinator, Dr. Pratima Mehta. I extend a warm, heartfelt, and gracious welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, renowned experts, faculty members, research scholars, and participants who have joined us from across the country. Today, we are truly privileged to be in the presence of an esteemed gathering of academicians, researchers, industry leaders, and distinguished guests. With this immense respect and pleasure, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Ms. Shivani Yadav, member of technical staff, AMD Technologies, whose remarkable contribution to advanced semiconductor technologies continue to inspire the next generation of engineers and researchers. We are equally honored to welcome our guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav, Deputy Secretary, University Grant Commission, whose distinguished service and valuable contributions to higher education and policy development have greatly enriched the academic ecosystem. We extend our respectful greetings to our esteemed patrons, Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean, MRIIRS. We also extend a cordial welcome to our esteemed conveners, Dr. Geeta Nijhavan, Associate Dean, Department of ECE, MRIIRS, Dr. Ashu Gautam, Head, Department of ECE, MRIIRS. A warm welcome to our co-convener, Dr. Abhirushi Pasi, Professor, Department of EC, Deputy Director, MRIIF. A special welcome to all our eminent speakers, head of departments, faculty members, industry experts, research scholars, and participants representing various institutions from across India. Your presence reflects our shared commitment to academic excellence, technological innovation, and lifelong learning. On the behalf of organizing committee, the Department of ECE, School of Engineering and Technology, Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, we extend our sincere gratitude to each one of you for gracious this occasion.
Jyot means the holy flame. It represents Agni and stand for prosperity, knowledge, and light in our lives. Lighting the lamp removes darkness and ignorance. It fills the surrounding with happiness, positive energy, and the blessings of the Almighty. I now humbly request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly join for the lighting of the Jyot. Thank you.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
our chief patron for the ATAL FDP, Professor Dr. Naresh Grover, sir. We have a please huge round of applause. And Rashima ma'am, Director IQAC. Please have a huge round of applause.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम् कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्.
Thank you, dignitaries. On behalf of organizing committee, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest and guest of honor for graciously accepting our invitation and taking time from their busy schedules to be with us today. Your presence has added immense prestige to this program, and we are honored to have you with us. To start with today's ceremony, we move forward to warmly welcome our dignitaries by presenting them a sapling. I would like to request Dr. Ashu Gautam to kindly welcome our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Shivani Yadav, with a sapling. Oh, Ashu ma'am, please. Ma'am, can you come here for the, yeah, thank you ma'am. I would like to request Dr. Ashu ma'am to welcome our guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav, with a sapling. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request Dr. Abhiruchi and Dr. Ashu ma'am to welcome our esteemed PVC sir, Dr. Naresh Grover sir, with the sapling. Thank you, sir. Now I would request Dr. Abhiruchi ma'am and Dr. Ashu Gautam to welcome PVC sir Pradeep Kumar with a token of gratitude. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Again, I would request Dr. Abhiruchi ma'am and Dr. Ashu ma'am to welcome our Associate Dean ma'am, Professor Geeta Nejavan ma'am, with a token of gratitude.
Professor Geeta ma'am, kindly join us on the dais. Balwinder Raj sir, as an expert, eminent speaker, please join us on the dais, please.
So we welcome with sapling to Professor Raj sir.
At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the AICT Atal Academy for providing us with this wonderful opportunity to organize this prestigious national level faculty development program. We are grateful for their continued commitment to strengthening technical education and fostering research excellence across the country. I would like to remind all participants that a minimum attendance of 80% is mandatory for successful completion of the program and for receiving the AICT Atal Academy certificate as per AICT guidelines. And now, it is my privilege and honor to introduce the convener of this FDP, Professor Dr. Ashu Gautam, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, MRIIRS. Dr. Ashu Gautam is an accomplished academic leader, distinguished researcher, and inspiring mentor with more than 21 years of rich teaching experience in renowned engineering institutions across Delhi NCR region. As an outstanding scholar, Dr. Ashu Gautam completed her BTech and MTech from the prestigious SLITE and was awarded the gold medal by Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar for her exceptional academic performance. We have a huge round of applause. Her research interest spans their interdisciplinary domains of sensors, biomedical engineering, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, where she has made significant academic contributions. She has authored and co-authored more than 20 plus research papers published in reputed international journals and conferences, and holds 5 registered patents reflecting her commitment to innovation and impactful research. Dr. Ashu Gautam is also a Wipro Mission 10X certified educator and a Google Cloud Platform certified professional, demonstrating her dedication to continuous learning and the adoption of emerging technologies in higher education. With a warm round of applause, may I now request Professor Dr. Ashu Gautam, convener of this AICT Atal FDP, to kindly address the gathering and formally welcome all the participants.
Wow. Thank you, Namita, for the generous introduction. Thank you for having me here. Today, we are not merely inaugurating the FDP, but I guess we are creating a national platform of knowledge via this Atal FDP. May the noble thoughts reach to us from all the direction. Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, respected Pro-Vice Chancellors, distinguished resource persons, delegates, faculty members, and research scholars, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you. It is a privilege on behalf of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Atal FDP. And parallelly, I wanted, thank you. Right, it is a privilege on the behalf of my department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, MRIIRS International Institute of Research and Studies, to welcome you to the AICT Atal Faculty Development Program on Beyond CMOS Nanoelectronics and Quantum Devices for Next Generation Computing. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the AICT Atal Academy for entrusting MRIIRS with the opportunity to organize this prestigious national program. We are delighted to welcome participants from a diverse spectrum of institutions, including Jamia Hamdard, Delhi Technical University, Symbiosis International Research and Innovation, Tools and Training Systems, CDAC, and many more. St. Andrew is another one, DPG degree is another one, Noida International Institute of Engineering and Technology being the prestigious reputed. So in total, I will say 17 organizations and institutions are present here to understand, to witness the change what the semiconductors have to bring to the country. Equally inspiring is the diversity of expertise represented here. Our participants include professors, assistant professors, associate professors, researchers, some PG scholars are also there. And they are from the different domains like electronics, communication engineering, VLSI, computer science, machine learning, nanoelectronics, I think from physics, material science. I think one inference can be made from the participant list, sir, that semiconductor cannot be evolved as a solo journey. It has to be at a multidisciplinary approach. The amalgamation of the participants, of course, is actually proclaiming this statement that we have to be a multidisciplinary approach while taking the journey of semiconductors here in India. This rich diversity references an important message. The future of semiconductor is for sure multidisciplinary. Keeping this vision in mind, FTP has been thoughtfully designed to provide holistic learning experience through expert lecture by distinguished professors, scientists, and industry leaders from NIT Jalandhar, CDEC Mohali, Semiconductor Laboratories, SCL, ESSI, CSIR, National Physical Laboratory, and leading semiconductor industries. The program also includes research paper discussions, hands-on on EDA tools, along with a trip to IIT Delhi on the research nanoscale laboratory, which is, I think, going to give a great buster for all the participants over here. I mean, you will be having a real hands-on practical exposure, not only learning from the expert lectures, but doing the things on your own. I encourage every participant to make the most of this opportunity, not only to learn from our eminent speakers, distinguished persons invited over here, but try to build collaborations, try to bring the real meaning of FDP in an outcome based on the research papers, maybe funded projects we are looking forward as an outcome from this FDP, and of course the long-lasting collaborations, which should be the ultimate aim of this FDP. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Pro Vice Chancellor, leadership of MRIIRS, faculty members of MRIIRS and MRU. Thank you for having me. A very warm welcome to all of you for this enriching and upcoming week on semiconductor devices. Beyond CMOS, because of the physical aspects, there is a limit on the CMOS technology now. That's why we have to talk about the amalgamation of quantum devices and nanoelectronics if one has to think on the vision of Modi ji's Viksit Bharat by 2047. Jai Hind. I think it's right time to stop here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashu ma'am, for your nice words and related to the FDP. It is now my privilege to introduce one of our esteemed patrons, Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean, Manav Krishna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad. Professor Kumar is a distinguished educationist, visionary leader, and passionate advocate for social causes, with more than 3 decades of experience in teaching, industry, integrated research, academic leadership, corporate affairs, accreditation, and innovative curriculum development. He earned his PhD from National Physics Laboratory, New Delhi, and was awarded the prestigious Research Associate Fellowship by both CSIR and DRDO, reflecting his outstanding contribution to scientific research. An accomplished scholar, he has 6 books, published more than 40 research papers in reputed national and international journals and conferences, and holds 3 patents. He has also successfully secured externally funded research projects worth over 25 lakhs. Professor Kumar is a life member of the Indian Physics Association, IEEE, and the Meteorological Society of India, and continues to inspire the academic community through his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, please join in extending a warm welcome to Professor Pradeep Kumar with a huge round of applause. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Namita. Good morning. Welcoming the guests of the day, Ms. Shivani Yadav from AMD, Mr. Vinod Singh Yadav from UGC, Mr. Dr. Balwinder from NIT Jalandhar, our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Naresh Grover, Associate Dean, Dr. Geeta, and I can see the persons who started early journey of electronics and communication in the university. Dr. Leena is sitting here. Then we have Dr. Abhiruchi. They both have led this department in the initial years. So this ATAL FDP, which is assigned to us in physical mode for this year, is based on the topic which is allotted to us. It's the future technology. Because I can see, when I see the list of the speakers next 5 days, the topics says the convergence of nanoelectronics with the quantum computing. We all know there is a limitation with the physical binary system, chip-based computers, and the speed. And of our last almost 1 decade, we are talking about the quantum computing. This software, the quantum computing, can only work if we have a good research in the hardware. And the hardware is nanoelectronics. Because size is an issue, memory is an issue, speed is an issue. And the binary, where we have only 2 options, 0 and 1, we can see there is a limitation in the speed. But when you talk about qubits, the multiple options are there. We have seen how the competition is faster. The work which was earlier took decades or years or months, now you can do faster. But this is possible only when the researchers like you, the companies like AMD, the companies like Cadence, EDA, Synopsys, if they provide us the required hardware. And this is the area where the young scholars, the young faculty members should focus and work. And this is possible only when all the 3 partners, the government, industry, and educational institution, they work together. Whether we talk about the quantum mission or we talk about the semiconductor investment in India, we have seen, especially in the last 5 years, now we have our own chip. This is only possible when 3 work together in one area. And today, we have the representation of government, UGC. We have from industry, AMD is here. And the institutions like us, which need to have the responsibility, because when we say we are NAAC A++ and top 100 university in the country, then our responsibility, the research should be of that level. And I hope the next 5 days when the work, as Dr. Ashu has suggested, the hands-on skills will be there. They will be moving to IIT Delhi also. And in our labs also, we have developed the semiconductor design lab last 2 years. So participants can work, come with some innovative ideas, which can lead to a joint publication, collaborative work, and also consultancy, so that the next generation, next future, they are skilled in this particular domain where we require not many people in next 1 decade. We have seen the change when we see the admissions. Now students are coming back to the core engineering, they are asking for electronics and communication, but with the reason why we should do it, and they need some specialized training and skilling. I hope with this, all the faculty members and scholars will be skilled and trained, and it will be fruitful for the coming generation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice words of wisdom. It is now my distinct privilege to introduce one of the esteemed patrons of this faculty development program, Professor Naresh Grover, Pro Vice Chancellor, Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad. Professor Grover is a highly respected academician, visionary administrator, and accomplished researcher with an illustrious career spanning nearly 4 decades in engineering education, academic leadership, and institutional development. I welcome you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. our chief guest of the day, Madam Shivani Yadav from AMD Technology, Bangalore. Our guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav ji, Deputy Secretary UGC. Our keynote speaker, Mr. Balwinder Raj from NIT Jalandhar. My colleague, Dr. Pradeep Kumar ji, Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean, School of Engineering and Technology. Associate Dean, Dr. Geeta Nijhavan ji. All the participants, my dear faculty members from the Department of Electronics and Communication, and ladies and gentlemen, after speaking that Ashu Gautam and Pradeep Kumar ji, I think there will be many things which I am going to repeat because the topic is that kind of emerging that as a student of electronics and communication for over more than 5 decades, we have been witnessing that CMOS technology has been the backbone of our digital revolution. It has powered our computers, smartphones, communication system, and almost every aspect of our modern life. However, as we approach the physical and technological limit of transistor miniaturization, as Gautam has also mentioned, the global scientific community is now entering the very exciting new era, that is an era of microelectronics, quantum devices, then neuromorphic computing, photonic computing, two-dimensional materials, and heterogeneous integration that will define the future of our computing the time to come. But the question before us today is no longer whether the computing will evolve beyond CMOS, but how quickly we can prepare ourselves and our students to contribute meaningfully to this transformation. Dear friends, the world today is witnessing an unprecedented race of strategic technology, that is AI, quantum computing, semiconductor technology, advanced materials, cyber physical system, which are increasing and becoming the foundations of economic growth, national security, healthcare, sustainable development, and technological leadership. India has recognized this transformation with the remarkable clarity. As Madam Gautam has mentioned, that under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Singh Modi ji, the nation has launched several landmark initiatives, the India Semiconductor Mission, the National Computing, that Quantum Mission, the India AI Mission, and initiatives such as Digital India, Make in India, Nirbhar Bharat, the National Semi-Computing Mission, and the National Research Foundation. They are collectively creating an ecosystem where innovation, research, entrepreneurship, and technology transitions can flourish. The recently approved National Education Policy also kind of emphasized on the interdisciplinary education, that experiential learning, research-oriented innovation, entrepreneurship, and strong academy-industry collaboration. Together, these initiatives reflect India's aspiration to become not merely a consumer of the advanced technology, but a global leader in their development. Together, these initiatives, the national mission can succeed only when our universities actively contribute to research, innovation, and talent development. There comes the role of our higher education institutions. The universities today are expected to move beyond the conventional teaching and become center of knowledge creation, interdisciplinary research, innovation, entrepreneurship, and industry collaboration. Our responsibility is to prepare graduates who are not technically competent, but also creative thinkers, ethical professionals, and problem solvers capable of addressing the national and global challenges. Faculty members are at the heart of this transformation. A teacher who continuously learns inspires generation of students. A researcher who pushes the boundaries of knowledge contribution directly to the national progress, and the innovative academic leaders build the ecosystem to continue to create the impact of for the decades. Our responsibility today extends far beyond classroom teaching. We must continuously update our understanding of rapidly evolving technology. We must integrate emerging domains like nanoelectronics, quantum computing, AI hardware, semiconductor design, and advanced material into our curriculum. The faculty development programs like this therefore play a vital role in enhancing academic excellence, strengthening research capabilities, and building meaningful collaboration among the institution. As India progresses toward the mission that is Viksit Bharat 2047, institutions like ours have a shared responsibility to nurture talent, promote cutting-edge research, and contribute meaningfully to the technologically self-reliance and sustainable development. Dear participants, the coming 6 days offer an exceptional opportunity to learn from the distinguished experts. I think she has already mentioned that from diverse area, from IITs, NITs, and from all the relevant industry people, they will be here and sharing their kind of views, and they will be contributing significantly to the research and technological development in these emerging areas. I would like to encourage every participant to engage actively in the discussions, ask challenging questions, share your research experiences, initiate collaboration, and explore possibility for the joint projects, publication, patent, and technology development. The true value of an FDP lies not only in acquiring knowledge, but also to build the kind of collaboration, academic network, and the continued long-term program as the program concludes. I am very confident that faculty development will stimulate the meaningful academic dialogue, foster the interdisciplinary collaboration, inspire innovative research, and contribute significantly to strengthen India's capability in the semiconductor technology, nanoelectronics, and quantum computing. So before I conclude, I once again express my sincere appreciation for the gratitude and appreciation to the AICTE Training and ATAL Academy for their continued support in building the faculty competency across the nation, and my heartfelt compliments to the organizing committee, especially the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, the distinguished resource persons who are there today and will be joining in the kind of 6 days during that faculty development program, and overall, that is the every participant who are here for making this program a reality. So with these words, I extend my best wishes for a highly successful and intellectual enriching program, and have the pleasure to be the part of this inaugural ceremony. So once again, thank you very much and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address. Your encouraging words have truly motivated us. We sincerely appreciate your constant guidance and unwavering support. Thank you once again. Next, I take privilege in introducing our distinguished guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav, Deputy Secretary, UGC. Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav is a distinguished administrator, education policy expert, whose remarkable journey reflects a unique blend of discipline, leadership, and academic excellence. He is also our lead trainer under the Rashtriya Karam Yogi program and a lifetime member of ASCI. Since joining the University Grants Commission in 2013, he has served in several key divisions, including legal, Policy, Regional Office, and the Distance Education Bureau, where he played a pivotal role in shaping policies and recognition frameworks for open and distance learning, ODL, and online education across the country. His area of expertise include the National Education Policy 2020, artificial intelligence in higher education, examination reforms, legal aspects of education, quality initiatives, and online and distance learning. Please join me in extending a warm and enthusiastic welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav, Deputy Secretary, UGC, with a big round of applause. I respectfully invite Sir to address this gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Namita ma'am, for that wonderful introduction. Respected chief guest for this inaugural session of ATAL FDP, Ms. Shivani Yadav, member Technical Service, AMD Technologies, Bangalore. Professor Naresh Groverji, Pro Vice Chancellor, MRIIRS, and patron for this ATAL FDP. Professor Pradeep Kumar ji, Pro Vice Chancellor of the University. Professor Ashu Gautam ma'am, Head of the Department and Convener for this FDP. Dr. Geeta ma'am, Dr. Abhiruchi ma'am, the coordinator for this FDP, Dr. Pratima Mehta ma'am, and Dr. Namita Katpal, the co-convener for this ATAL FDP. In fact, I should thank her and the organizers for giving me this unique opportunity to be part of this inaugural session and to be with you this morning. Other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, deans of the university, faculty members of both the Manav Rachna University, participants for this ATAL FDP from various universities across the country. I've been told that there are around 53 participants from across 17 institutions. So it speaks a lot about the enthusiasm that the faculty members have for this FDP. I also congratulate the organizers for coming up with such a relevant FDP. So beyond CMOS, what next? So what is the potential that the nanoelectronics and the quantum computing has in speeding up the computing technology, so next computing technology. So very pertinent and important topic chosen by the organizers. I've also gone through the list of the resource persons for the ATAL FDP, and I'm really impressed with the speakers and the entire schedule which has been made for this ATAL FDP. AICTE, UGC, and Government of India, we have been taking a lot of such initiatives to do the capacity building of our faculty members across disciplines, across the engineering disciplines and other disciplines also. So there is a lot of realization among the regulators that to improve the quality of education, we also need to invest in the upliftment or in the capacity building of the faculty members. The technologies are changing very, very rapidly. As faculty members, if we have to produce employable graduates, it is very much important that we ourselves are also well acquainted with what is happening in the industry. And ATAL is a program which AICTE intends to achieve this objective. I congratulate all the participants to have got the confirmation and to have given their willingness to be part of this ATAL FDP. See, if now we are seeing a lot of technologies which are emerging. We are seeing artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, IoT is there, and all these digital devices which are there, they are running on the computing power. And the CMOS has been the backbone of the computing power and the other technologies for the last 60 years. But as the speakers before me have highlighted, that now CMOS or the transistors have also been are reaching a economic limit as well as a political limit as well as a technical limit. And there is a requirement that we look beyond CMOS. Gordon Moore, who was the co-founder of Intel, he had in fact said that the number of transistors in a chip will increase or will be doubling every 2 years, and the computers will become, the size of the computers will be reducing. And we have seen that from the Intel, when the number of transistors required for the initial processor were only in thousands, and then we had Pentium in maybe millions. We have the Apple devices which are what you call using billions of transistors, and the NVIDIA GPU that we are seeing, it actually requires all over 260 billion devices. So there is a capacity of the transistors that or the you can have on devices. And then there are a lot of technologies which are coming on beyond CMOS, but more essential or more relevant are nanoelectronics and quantum computing. Both of them are actually promising a lot of growth which can happen, and I think they can take on the technology to the next levels. The speakers have already highlighted a lot of points which I am covering, but quantum computing is another thing that the government of India and as a country we have to be very serious about. So qubits, now we have seen that IBM has already demonstrated that 1000 qubits is also possible. Google, in fact, has demonstrated that a lot of tasks which required a lot of time, even by the supercomputers, can be done in minutes by the quantum computers. So quantum computers are offering a lot of hope in the areas which require a lot of research. So maybe the diagnosis of this thing or drug discovery, a lot of cryptology, a lot of areas where a lot of computing power is required, in fact, to solve these issues. They will be possible with the advancements in quantum computing. We are a very, very, what you call, we are not such a rich country. We don't have a quantum computer in our country. So, but there are, I have seen that CDEC, which is a government body, has come up with an application where you can, and they have got it installed in some of the universities. I have been fortunate to inaugurate some of the quantum labs in some of the universities. And I have found that they have this services where the quantum computer processing power can be used, a part of it can be used if you use those services, and that provides a lot of scope as far as the research in various areas is concerned. There is a shortage of a lot of sensors and other elements with regard to the quantum computing. We lack in the access or the manufacturing of these devices. It is high time that we take up this as a challenge, and as faculty members we take initiatives so that we can at least build some of the hardware connected with the quantum computers. I wish this FDP all the very best. There is a lot of investment or planning resources which are have been allotted by AICTE, Government of India. Even the university is going to invest a lot of resources in the conduct of this FDP. I request all of you to be very, very sincere for the next 6 days. It is a wonderfully designed FDP. Please make use of the lectures that you have, of the resources that are made available. Please bond among yourselves so that you form some sort of WhatsApp group and all. And the association that you form here in an offline program should not end with the conclusion of this FDP. You can stay connected and share your knowledge. So we are a country where the resources are not very vast, so we have to see how we can optimize the utilization of the resources. With your bonding, with your connections, I think you will be able to help each other, and together we will be able to do much more as a country, as a society. I again wish you all the very best for this FDP. I congratulate the organizers and thank them for the invitation. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring address. It is now my proud privilege to introduce our chief guest, Ms. Shivani Yadav, member of technical staff at AMD Technologies. Ms. Shivani, can I speak something? Sure. Ms. Shivani is an accomplished VLSI professional, researcher, and mentor with over 9 years of rich industry experience in advanced semiconductor design and verification. Prior to joining AMD, she served as principal hardware design verification engineer at Western Digital and has also contributed as a scientist at Brain Behavior Research Foundation of India. Her expertise encompasses subsystem, IP, and system-on-chip verification with proficiency in gate-level simulation, formal verification, emulation, and ROM verification. Demonstrating her passion for innovation, she also developed and deployed a retrieval augmented generation-based AI chatbot and workflow automation solution that significantly enhanced engineering productivity and collaboration. Please join me in extending a warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Shivani Yadav, member of technical staff, AMD Technologies. We are truly honored by your presence and look forward to your inspiring address.
Thank you everyone. And good morning, everyone here, the distinguished member and faculty members, Dr. Pradeep sir, Dr. Naresh sir, Vice Chancellor, everyone, all the faculty members to inviting me here and giving me a chance here to stand in front of you and to share about my thoughts and experience, what I was, like how come I come in this industry, what exactly I observed it, and what exactly the semiconductor industry, it is doing it right now. So, as of now, I would like to call you everyone as an architect of the future. Why I will call you as an architect? Because everyone's, you guys know, the semiconductor is work on the Moore's law, which is nothing but we are just shrunken all the gates, and every time we are increasing the density. The density means every time we are putting multiple of transistors in a very small space. Small space, like as of now, we know, everyone knows about, we are working on the 5 nanometer technology, or now AMD and Intel and NVIDIA, these are working on the 2 nanometer technology. So which means like our thin hairs, we are putting the transistors in that much a small chip. So that is how come it will become. That where we need all the architect, how exactly the designing is happening in that chip, how exactly we will verify those chips. And definitely all this coming up from the architect, how exactly these guys are designing it. So that's why I called you everyone as an architect of the future. So thank you again, and big clap for you guys. So now everyone knows the semiconductor industry. As of now, like earlier, we were becoming as a silent engineer. No one knows about the semiconductor much. But now it's an era where everyone knows about the semiconductor industries. How exactly it is? As of now, this is the first time I would like to tell you, the first time in 2026, the global semiconductor is projecting $1 trillion revenue we are supposed to generate from the semiconductor industry, which is around 96 lakh crores we are gonna introduce, we are gonna like make it from this industry. And how we are making it? Definitely with the help of the AI, the artificial intelligence, and with the help of the nanoelectronic devices. How exactly it is? As of now, the AMD even and the NVIDIA, both are, they reshaped this AI infrastructures, and they are projecting $260 billion in 2026. This is the reason, as of now, all the big 5 companies, like all the big 5s, we have Google, Meta, Amazon, NVIDIA, AMD, all are working behind the AI. As of now, I'm very happy to see when I'm seeing the AMD laptops, because I work on those. So the work, the passion when I worked on this, I was very happy. Me and my team, we were like, okay, we work day and night, we put our passion, but now we are happy when we are seeing the device in our own hand. And everyone, and as of now, Intel is also a very good device. But why most of the people are shifting to the AMD computers? Because of their speed, because of their growth, because of their faster. Now, even NVIDIA also, we are seeing in the cars, we are having the graphics of the NVIDIA as well as an AMD. So that is all because of this thing, the semiconductor revolution, because of the AI, and because of this research works which you guys are doing it. So thank you everyone for those things. And I would like to share my one of the very personal, very good experience which I felt it. So when I was doing my MTech, so I visited ISC Bangalore, the Nanoelectronics labs over there I visited. And I saw the actual how these guys are doing the lithography process, the CMOS, everything I saw it there. And I felt it, okay, I want to also do it. I want to also part of that. That time I decided I will join this industry. But the another part is which industry I should join it, because we have a vast area in this industry. So I decided to join as a DV, as a design and verification engineer earlier. Then I wake up my full team. And from that ISC Bangalore, I found one director, sir. His research work was too good, and I would like to tell you, those research work which he was doing it, we collaborated with them when I was a part of the WD. Now we file a patent on those research work, and it will be coming into the market in the next 2 years. So that's a very good thing, because their knowledge, our ideas, we can make it a one good product that will become in the market very soon. So thank you. Please do this type of research and help us. And we are literally welcoming your research works and everything, so that everyone we can grow together. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. We deeply appreciate your valuable insights. Moving ahead with the ceremony, it is now time to express our heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guest patrons. As a token of our sincere appreciation, we are honored to present souvenir mementos in recognition of their gracious presence, invaluable guidance, and inspiring contributions to this faculty development program. May I respectfully invite Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor MRIIRS, to kindly facilitate our chief guest, Ms. Shivani Yadav, Member of Technical Staff, AMD Technologies, by presenting the souvenir. A huge round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. May I request Professor Naresh Grover, sir, PVC and Dean, MRIIRS, to kindly facilitate with our guest of honor, Lieutenant Commander Vinod Singh Yadav, Deputy Secretary UGC, with the souvenir memento.
May I request Professor Geeta Nijaman, Ma'am, Associate Dean, to kindly facilitate our esteemed Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Naresh Grover, by presenting the memento. Finally, may I request Professor Dr. Ashu Gautam, Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to kindly facilitate our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean, Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, with the memento. Let us extend a warm round of applause as we honor our distinguished dignitaries. May I request Professor Pradeep Kumar sir to kindly facilitate Professor Balwinder Raj sir with a memento. I request Grover sir to kindly join us. Please have a huge round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to invite Coordinator Dr. Pratima Mehta, Department of ECE, to present a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Namita. Respected Chief Guest, distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, honorable university leadership, faculty members, participants, and the organizing committee, a very good morning to all of you. It's my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on the occasion of inaugural ceremony of the AICTE ATAL Faculty Development Program on Beyond CMOS, Nanoelectronics and Quantum Devices for Next Generation Computing. On behalf of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, Manav Rashna International Institute of Research and Studies, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the All India Council for Technical Education for sponsoring this prestigious faculty development program and providing us with an excellent platform to enhance knowledge and foster academic collaboration. I express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest and guest of honor for graciously accepting our invitation and inaugurating this program. Your inspiring words, valuable insights, and encouragement have set a motivating tone for the days ahead. I would also like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our distinguished speakers and experts who have agreed to share their knowledge and expertise throughout this FDP. We are confident that their sessions will provide valuable learning opportunities and inspire meaningful discussion among all participants. I convey my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Dean, and Head of the Department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, for their constant encouragement, visionary leadership, and unwavering support in organizing this program. A special word of thanks goes to all the participants who have joined us from different institutes across the country. Your enthusiastic presence reflects your commitment to continuous learning, professional development, and academic excellence. We hope this FDP will provide you with the enriching experience, meaningful interactions, and valuable networking opportunities. I would also like to acknowledge the tireless effort of the organizing committee, faculty members, student volunteers, technical staff, administrative staff, and everyone who worked diligently behind the scenes. Your dedication, teamwork, and meticulous planning have made today's inaugural session a memorable success. A huge round of applause to all of you. As we embark on this week-long journey of learning and innovation, I'm confident that the discussions, technical session, and collaborative interaction will contribute significantly to advancing knowledge in the rapidly evolving fields of nanoelectronics, semiconductor technologies, and quantum computing. With these words, I once again express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your presence, support, and valuable contribution. I wish all the participants a highly informative, engaging, and productive faculty development program. Thank you once again. Wishing everyone a wonderful and enriching learning experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Further in today's schedule, we will have two sessions to be delivered by Dr. Balwinder Raj, Associate Professor, NIT Jalandhar, and Dr. Umesh Datta, Deputy Director, MRIIF, at the same venue. Now, may I request everyone to kindly rise at their own place for the national anthem?
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now I would request all the participants to kindly join our dignitaries near the stage for a group photograph. I request kindly